Yo, what's up, guys? And today we're gonna be testing out the Kirby sword, which apparently has a glitch where it like does some weird ass shit. But I'm gonna do it private. We're just gonna test it out. So apparently, whenever you kill something with the Kirby sword, oh wait, they revamped this map. I haven't even seen it. Okay, it's been some time, but. Oh wait, this is new. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, so apparently... I'm sure it's more friendly agent. If this like... Because something, some weird ass shit happens. It is kind of OP. Let's. Oh, why did I spawn that? Damn. What the fuck? You would go below again. Fuck you. Doesn't noise only happen whenever you like... I forgot. Fuck you. Stop. Why wasn't he attacking me? Stop. I think he's dead. I don't know. Yo. Only the bunny makes that noise. What the fuck? Oh, wait, I can prove that only the bunny makes that noise. Look. Yeah, see? Only the bunny makes that noise. I didn't even spawn a bunny. That's some weird ass shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Wait, let me. What the fuck is that? Is that? Y'all know I can't edit, so I can't edit in that sound. I don't know what the fuck that is. Throw hands, bitch. Let me turn down my volume because I don't want my parents to beat the shit out of me. They're watching my mom and sister are watching the movie right now. I'm pretty sure, or just like a family. Like I don't know. Some weird ass shit. I already told you guys it was gonna be. Damn! Motherfucker. I don't know what that was. I was told that some shit like this. I saw it. Yo, what the fuck is that noise? Oh shit, I forgot. Yo, what the fuck is that? Yo, I should not have used this bum my Kirby sword, bro. What if I kill one more thing with... Stop it, bitch. Bitch! Spawn a bunny. Cause he's basically friendly until you look away from him for a second. He's a bitch. Look at his dick. That dick is small. What? Why can't I spawn anything? One sec. Customization. Fuck you. What is this bum idea? Empty projects. What the fuck? No. Wait. No, boo boo. I changed the map. I win. Okay. Like and subscribe. Don't use the Kirby mod. It's bum as fuck. Yeah, see? It literally has his own. Look. I'm gonna go to it. It's gonna be that exact same map. Yeah, fuck this. Okay, well, guys. Wait. One sec. No, Okay, guys. Well, like, subscribe, comment, share this with your friends and family. That was weird as shit. I didn't believe that shit was true. Also, apparently it works on Bone Lab too. So if you want to try it out, feel free. Bone Lab takes so fucking long to work. Plus, it's laggy, so I just don't feel like it. So, bye guys.